Hello everyone, my name is Likitanish and I made this Google Docs clone in my free time. Yeah. So let's just review this. Here we have a hamburger menu. It's made like this icon is made of Material UI icon. So if I just click on, then you just see the reply. And then here we have the docs icon. That's pretty good. And then here we have a search bar that when I click, it redacts here. And then if I just go to one of my files, plp, yeah, plp, and then I get the file search result. I can also go into, see that? I want to come back. Yeah, and here we have the light mode, dark mode. That's pretty cool. And then here I can just log out. I don't want to log out. Here I can start a new document, and then whenever I hover over it, it shows this over here. And then this is a cool icon too. So here my icons, I have this nice CSS utility. Here when I click here, I can just I don't want to delete that. I can just delete them or open them in a new tab. And then here when the date created, and I want to create a new one and just call them that. And then I just go in here. Yep. And I can just type whatever I want here. Can POP. I'm just typing random stuff. I don't know why. Yeah. So next, I can just here you see I can just make it bold. I can just make it bold. I can make it Italian. I don't know what is this. I can just make them all. I'm not a Google Docs pro. Maybe you are. Here I can make it from normal to actually H1 like or HTML tags, and then block quote, and then like how Albert Einstein gave that quote and Shakespeare. I'm not bringing maths into English, just programming. I can make it into a code which is really nice. I can change the size. That's so big. Am I right? Yeah, and then I can just change whatever I want over here. Tahuma. Yeah, nice. So Tahuma. And one more like announcement. Please subscribe. I'll come up with banger tutorials. Yeah. So here I can just bullet list. 1. I don't know what is 1. In the center, right. And you see that when I click on it, I don't know. It gives me center. Subscript. Like that, super sick. That's really cool. Then I have a color picker. I have so many colors. And then highlight. Yeah, that's it. And then I have a link title, and then a link target. JJ. I don't know. Unlink, and then here this is like indent, outdent. That's embedded. You want to embed your link, emojis, and then here's a web page. If you enter the URL like this one, and then I just add LCR. This is a nice image, and then I can just undo. I can undo it. I can remove it. And that's kind of cool. I can also print when I click on that button. Yeah, and I can just share. I can just log out if I want to. So these are file, edit, view, insert, format tools, and just see that arrow when I click on that connection. I can just go back. Okay, so that's a preview. Let's go to the code. You all guys like your code, right? You're going to code. See that magic? That's my magic. Oh, so here's the code. So let's all start off with components. And in components, if I had to explain this whole thing or the whole project, it would have been an hour. Okay, but let me just go. Document row is like the rows and the columns. Then are you sure you want to permanently delete this account and that document, and then like that. And then you got header.js. Header.js is where we saw all the icons and search bar, right? login is just the login functionality, and text editor is the editor. It's an editor, like how we type. That's the text editor. So that's all done. It's all done. Let's go. What is happening with my VS Code? Let's go to hooks. Hooks is nothing but where we have the dark mode and the light mode. So that's pretty basic. Pages. In pages we have the like Next.js 13. Next.js 13. We have like API, the new file called API auth. We have next up it, and then hello.js. I just made that like just API routing, like website named John Doe. So if I just go to Postman and just test that out, that would have happened. And then here I have the ID.js, so like my ID, Ripple, all those stuff. And then here I have index.js, and then app. My app is just the the background. Service worker registration failed. Service worker registration successful. And I have all those. If you want the code, it will be in the description. My GitHub. And then here in index.js, it's like mostly importing and getting it from all the files, like with the components, and then we saw it's combining it to make like all files from the backbone of that. Public is nothing but where we have the images. I'll just show you one. Icon. Yeah, see that icon? It's a very nice icon. And then here we have styles, global.css, the global styling. Here .env.example, I'm not supposed to show it because it's like my database URL, my Google client, my Google CD. You can just corrupt my website with that. Electricity.js, and it's just core web vital. Firebase.js is where my keys. I should not show you that too. Next.config.js. Yeah, that's pretty. This is where all my packages are. I know like people with pre